Wanted to quick record a video of the other WonderSwan to show off the damage. So it had really bad corrosion on that side, and like this whole part of the board is pretty bad. And the EXT port was also corroded. So it probably wasn't just the battery, it was probably also water damage. So there you can see this like top layer of the PCB is just like flaked off there. This had some numbers at first in there, it's all missing, and there's still some blue corrosion that was kind of resistant to cleaning in some of the vias, and that's like kind of rusty looking. That side's not too bad. You'd maybe need like an X-Acto knife or something there. Some of these cartridge pins might have been affected a little. Let me take out the board. Speaker is loose, which I thought was normal at first, but after opening another one, I don't think it's normal. I think it's like attached with adhesive right here normally. So yeah, super rough and bad around here. And the A and B buttons aren't too great. The speaker is like rusty. So yeah, just like this whole area real nasty. The rest doesn't look too bad. Actually, this looks a little bad. Yeah, that's pretty bad. There's a bit right there. I didn't test the fuse on this one. I think it's okay, maybe? Huh, that's weird. With water damage, I would have expected the fuse to be blown. So yeah, I don't know if this one's beyond saving. Maybe it needs trace repair. Probably gonna focus on the one in better condition first. Get at least one working WonderSwan. Alright, I'll end it there.